A stellar day of trade that played out for the equity markets today as we move from strength to strength, only to conquer the 15,300 level during intraday trade as we wrapped up at 15,245. No complaints whatsoever. 2% on the index, with the Sensex powering through 1,147 points as we shut shop today at 51,444 on the Sensex. The broader markets as well showed you a lot of resilience, and you had the mid and the small caps that were comfortably in the green. In fact, the small cap index gaining for the third straight day on the trot, and really all-round support coming in. Metals, of course, were a terrific trade today, that index gaining about 3%. You had PSU banks that did very well, finance, the Nifty Bank Index, commodity, energy, IT, really you name it, all of those sectors were perky in trade. As newsmakers, you had the metals basket really shining in trade today. In fact, phenomenal gains for the likes of Tata Steel, Nalco, Hindalco, Vedanta after the US issued the final anti-dumping duties on the common aluminium sheets from 18 countries, saying that the duties will come on top of the 10% tariffs on aluminium imports that had been imposed by the Trump administration. Info Edge in focus as Zomato readies now for a bigger plate. We understand they're eyeing about $750 million to $1 billion in their IPO that's planned later this year, according to the Economic Times report. PSUs in focus. Jefferies came out with their report saying that PSUs have emerged as a key beneficiary of the value rally, and they believe that the ETF overhang is now behind and they're prioritizing strategic divestment. The top PSU picks include SBI, Concor, NTPC, BHEL as well as BEL. And Tata Power in focus, they're going to provide green power to Jharkhand to Tata Steel, and the company along with Tata Steel will be developing 15 megawatt solar project in Jharkhand. Within the broader universe as well, there was quite a bit of activity kicking in, and it did come in across the board. You had IFCI, which held out very well in trade today, 19%. Adani Total Gas was a smart mover. IDBI Bank rallied hard and fast. Shoppers Stop another gainer in trade today. Edelweiss Financial close to 10% on that counter. HEG, Rallis India, HDFC, AMC saw a terrific move. Something like EIH, DCM, Shriram, all fantastic movers in trade. On the flip side though, Ircon International lost out a bit. You had Symphony in the red, in the Sun Copper putting the brakes on its upward move. Jagran in the red, Thermax, RCF, etc. In fact, within the frontliners, Tata Steel held out, Bajaj Finserv had a terrific run, Reliance Industries powered through, UPL, JSW Steel, HDFC, ICICI Bank, SBI Life, while on the flip side, Hero Moto, Bajaj Auto, Maruti and M&M lost out.